I'm Miss Thomas and I teach computer science. So if you think about taking computer science, ideally you would have done computer science at GCSE, or you're taking maths or physics or something very mathsy subject-wise, because they link really well with computer science. So in Year 12, the course is split mainly into two sections. You have an on-screen exam that's all about programming and logical thinking, and then you have your theory exam, which is all about Boolean algebra, networking, all sorts of things that you would have done at GCSE, but in more detail. In Year 13, your course is split into three main sections. You have two exams and one practical element. The practical element will require you to solve an actual problem from a local doctor's surgery, a Chinese takeaway, something along those lines, and create them a booking system. This will mean that you need to use Python, your logical thinking, and all the skills you've learned all the way from Year 9 up to Year 13.
There will be many extracurricular activities that you can get involved with as well as part of computer science, one of them being the Minecraft project that we did for Open Evening, where our students were able to build a Minecraft version of the school. This took place in computer science so that we could use some of the coding elements in order to make it more complex and to make the school look exactly like the real Chepstow school. If you take computer science, it gives you many job prospects. There are lots of different career professions that you can go into by studying computer science. It gives you a range of skills and imaginative creativity to be able to use logical and critical thinking to decompose a load of different problems is such a great skill to have, and it's widely needed by different types of jobs, university, and also if you decided to go on to do an apprenticeship, it's very, very worthwhile to study. There are many careers that you could do involving computer science, from web designers to cybersecurity. You can create algorithms and programs for different organizations as well. There are many different careers that you can choose when it comes to computer science.
There are 10 types of people in the world. Those that know computer science and those that don't. Now, even if you did or didn't understand what I just said, hopefully it gives you the impression that computer science is a fun subject to learn, where everyone around you is always willing to help, especially our amazing computer science teachers who are always willing to give you the extra support that you need, or even if you don't need it. And it's just a generally fun learning environment. And I find that computer science is partly to do with solving problems or equations that may not make sense to you at first, but then once you understand them and you solve them, you feel like you're on top of the world. And I find it's also about learning about the internal logic of a computer, especially the components, and who knows, you may need these skills one day. Now, if you decide to take computer science as an A-level, good choice, have fun, and enjoy.